Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Friday the 8th of November. So looking at the euro dollar and well, what we got here then? Well, it's still headed south as expected. Eventually got down to that daily 50. Question is now, are we going to see a bounce off that? It's got a bit of a curvature to it, so are we going to be seeing a bounce off that, or are we going to see a Friday wallow in terms of, is it just going to just sit between here and the monthly pivot there? I've got a feeling it's the latter, but we'll see. Looking at the price action on the 4 hourlies, it's still berry flag sort of picture, maybe consolidation here, untouched daily pivot on the hourlies here, so for the daily pivot may come in. It's not that many pips away, 59 rather, 9 pips away. For me, it's a case of maybe on the euro, if it does break the lows between the current bar and the previous yesterday's lows there, like trend line across there, well, maybe tempted on the short side, may even be tempted on, depending on its price action, into that daily pivot, but it's just been going sideways, so at the moment it's not that appealing. Moving on to cable, and here we have a similarish picture but an untouched monthly pivot, which could cause a draw. It's close-ish to its daily 21, hasn't actually touched that, so there's some areas where it may just come back down to. Now if you look at this, I mean, it's lower highs, lower lows, nice neat price action most of the week, a couple of blips in between there, but in the main it looks like it looks quite soft. Untouched daily pivot today, which could draw price up, and well, again, it's only, well, this time it's 15 pips away from where the price is. So personally, I do what I did yesterday and sit and wait. Just sat and wait for it yesterday, and it well, with a bit of luck of a bit of news, it gave me a much better trade than I expected. But we'll see what we end up with here, moving it. So really looking to sell into that daily pivot if it gives me a reversal around that area. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen has broken to the upside, continued yesterday, pushed up newish highs, looking across there. Yep, new near-term highs anyway for this part of the year, this quarter-ish. And still looking solid. I mean, it's got a bit better bull flag going on here even. I want to say bear flag because it's, of course, it's a weaker yen, but looking at dollar yen, so we've got to say bull flag. Untouched daily pivot, so it may just draw it back at some point, although it's air kissed that, and it may have well hit on other systems. So but looks like it's got more continuation potentially to the upside. It's just a bit iffy as it sits at this price action. I mean, since yesterday evening there, it's pretty flat at the moment. Maybe we'll get a break above there's a trend line across from the highs there that would be running across downwards. Maybe we'll get a push through that. No point really looking at the Aussie because it's chopping. Canadian dollar, guess what, it's chopping. We'll have a quick look at the New Zealand dollar. It's one I've been looking at. Not quite, it's putting some daily reversal potential in with the doji yesterday, but it needs to really get a bit of a wiggle on, and at the moment it's just chopping as well. So chop as they say, and on that note I should chop off. But before I do, news, Canadian dollar. We've got a bit of news later for the Canadian dollar. We've seen Chinese news out this morning, a bit better trade balance running through there, so slightly better than expected. And the Canadian data is the employment data at that'll be at 1:30 then. Time's wrong on here. And then what else we got? That's it really. So a bit of 3 o'clock-ish on the US. Some consumer sentiment may get a little bit of kicker later, but don't think I'll be around to trade that. It's Poets Day. So I wish you all a great day, and I will speak to you on Monday. Bye for now.